Hi, today in front of you Motorola Moto E22 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we're logging here into two accounts at the same time, and if you want to log out from one from this account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device and select one from these accounts. Let's use this one. Just to log out from here, we should click remove account and confirm our action. So now in Google account settings, we can see that we stay only with two Gmail accounts. So let's go back to the application, and here we can see that we also successfully log out from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.